Hi guys, it's Christina Connolly, and today I'm so excited to have a special guest who created an awesome video on an awesome tool. The tool is wiser.me, and it will let you create beautiful, engaging worksheets in a quick and efficient manner. And my special guest today is none other than Mrs. Cindy Luongo, 6th grade teacher at Wilbur Watts. Thank you, Cindy, for creating this awesome video to help our staff learn about this tool, and take it away.
Wanted to share with you a new tool, new to me tool that I discovered that my son's teacher was using, and teachers make the best thieves. So this is a website called Wiser Me, and it is free. There are a lot of upgrades that you can get by obviously paying, but there's a lot of really great free things that I've discovered. So basically, in a nutshell, this is a platform that allows you to make interactive worksheets. So a couple of ones that I've run into that I like, different types. You can use a sort where you give the students different things that they're sorting into different categories. So this one is a worksheet about the 13 colonies, and we're placing them, in the region where they belong, and it pops right down here. Another type is a simple fill-in. You can give the students the instructions, fill in the missing spaces below, give them some content, and then they can go ahead and type. This worksheet has a few different choices here. It's got multiple choice that the students can select the answer, an open-ended where they can respond. They can also have the option of recording their answer rather than typing it, which is a great modification or differentiation. Here, again, there's some content that you can have the children read through, even a video. And then again here, more sorting. This is a math one, order of operations, multiplication. This is a neat one. You can match the terms, kind of like a shoelace sort of a experience. And this is even for children that are just learning to read. There are some ways that you can make this work. You can put your instructions in as a voice record.
Hey guys, watch the video The Mitten by Jen.
And then down here, instructions again, multiple choice, and open-ended. Again, children can record their voice. So how you make one of these is, number one, you can search the community and find something, and then you can make it your own and modify it, or you can also make one from scratch. To make one from scratch, you can just select whatever sort of a design you'd like, and then you just begin by adding tasks. One new thing that they've just added is you can take an existing PDF and turn it into an interactive worksheet that is graded for you. How you do that, you just click on the PDF, and I'm going to select a file, eventually upload from Google Drive. That's coming soon. So this is that PDF that I was using. I'm just going to go ahead and choose what type of question I'd like, drop it down, and then I go ahead and I just put these text boxes over top of whatever I want the system to interpret as the question and the choices. Best thing about this is that it grades it for you. And the second best thing I like is you can choose for the students to have instant feedback, so they can get the answers right after they've completed the question. Okay, this is another multiple choice. There's also a fill-in down here, so I could go ahead and have the kids fill in right on the image. What's really cool too is you can draw. You can even have them fill in on an image. So you can give a map and they can go ahead and label things, or a diagram. A lot of great options. So when you're all done, you would go ahead and convert. Just going to do that one question so you can see how it turns out. All right, and then here's that question that I took right from that PDF, and then all of a sudden now it's interactive. The students can click on it, and I can add other tasks in the same worksheet and have multiple different types of content and different types of questions. To see your students' work, you go to the Worksheets tab, which is where your content is. Students were working on today. And here is my worksheet. And in the answer tab at the top is where you will find your students' responses. So you can see their actual answers by clicking on the individual student, and you can see exactly what they got right, what they got wrong. You can see how long they took to work on it. So there's a lot of options to review the data for an assignment that you've created.